You finally understand you need more protein. You're ready to make the change. But then you eat a big steak and spend the next 3 hours feeling bloated, uncomfortable, and wondering why your stomach hates you. Here's what nobody tells you. Eating more protein after 40 isn't just about choosing high-protein foods. It's about choosing high-protein foods your aging digestive system can actually handle. Because the protein that just sits in your stomach making you miserable isn't building muscle. It's just making you regret your dinner. Today, I'm giving you the complete list of high-protein foods that are gentle on your gut, but powerful for your muscles. No more bloating, no more discomfort, just results. If you watched our previous videos, you know that after 40, you need significantly more protein than you've been eating, around 90 to 130 grams per day for most people. But here's the problem nobody warned you about. Your digestive system after 40 isn't the same powerhouse it was at 25. You produce less stomach acid. Your digestive enzymes decline. Your gut moves more slowly. So eating massive portions of heavy protein can leave you feeling terrible, even though you're doing the right thing. The solution? Strategic protein choices that give you maximum nutrition with minimum digestive distress. Let's dive in. Before we get to the foods, you need to understand what's happening in your digestive system because it explains everything. Starting around age 40, your body produces less hydrochloric acid in your stomach. This acid is crucial for breaking down protein. Less acid means protein sits in your stomach longer, which causes that heavy, bloated feeling. It also means you're not breaking protein down as efficiently, so you're not absorbing all those amino acids your muscles need. Your digestive enzyme production also declines. Enzymes are like tiny scissors that cut large protein molecules into smaller pieces your body can absorb. Fewer enzymes means slower, less complete protein digestion. And your gut motility, the speed at which food moves through your digestive tract, naturally slows down with age. This is why meals that you could eat in your 20s without thinking twice now leave you uncomfortable for hours. Here's the bottom line. You need more protein than ever, but your body is less equipped to digest it than ever. That's why food choices matter so much. We need proteins that are naturally easier to break down and absorb. So what makes a protein easy to digest? There are 4 specific factors, and understanding them will completely change how you shop for food. Once you know these, you'll be able to walk through any grocery store and instantly identify the best options for your body. Stay with me. Here's what makes protein easy to digest. Factor 1. Protein structure. Some proteins are naturally more compact and easier to break down. Think of it like this. A tender piece of fish has a looser protein structure than a tough piece of beef. Your digestive system has to work much harder on that beef. Factor 2. Fat content. High-fat proteins take longer to digest because fat slows down stomach emptying. This isn't necessarily bad, but if you're already struggling with digestion, adding excess fat makes it worse. Factor 3. Fiber content. For plant proteins, fiber is a double-edged sword. It's healthy, but too much can cause gas and bloating, especially if you're not used to it. Now let's talk about the actual foods, starting with the absolute easiest proteins to digest. Number 1. Greek yogurt. This is the gold standard for easy-to-digest protein. A single cup of plain Greek yogurt gives you 20 to 25 grams of protein. But here's why it's special. It's fermented. Number 2. Eggs. Eggs are nature's perfect protein package. One large egg has 6 grams of complete protein with all 9 essential amino acids. But what makes eggs special for digestion is how your body processes them. Eggs have a biological value of 100, which means your body can use nearly all of the protein they contain. Very little is wasted. The protein structure in eggs is also incredibly easy to break down, especially when cooked. Now here's an important distinction. How you prepare your eggs matters. Soft-boiled, poached, or scrambled eggs are the easiest to digest. Hard-boiled eggs are slightly tougher because the protein structure becomes denser with extended cooking. Fried eggs in a lot of butter or oil add fat that slows digestion. For maximum digestibility, try scrambled eggs cooked with a small amount of olive oil or poached eggs on toast. Your stomach will thank you. Quick pause. If you're finding this helpful, hit that subscribe button. We're giving you the practical nutrition advice that actually works for people over 40, not generic fitness influencer nonsense. And trust me, the next protein on this list might surprise you. Number 3, whitefish fish like cod, tilapia, haddock, and sole are incredibly easy on your digestive system. A 6-ounce serving gives you around 35 to 40 grams of protein with minimal fat. Number 4, salmon. Now, salmon is fattier than whitefish, but it earns its place on this list for 2 reasons. First, it's incredibly rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which actually reduce inflammation in your gut and support digestive health. Second, despite being fattier, it's still relatively easy to digest compared to red meat. A 6-ounce piece of salmon delivers about 40 grams of protein, plus those valuable omega-3s. If you find fatty fish sits heavy in your stomach, stick with smaller portions, 3 to 4 ounces, and pair it with easily digestible vegetables like steamed carrots or zucchini. Now you might be wondering, what about chicken? What about protein powder? Are those easy to digest? Great questions, and the answers might surprise you because they're not as straightforward as you think. Keep watching. Chicken and turkey poultry is a good protein source. Don't get me wrong. A 6-ounce chicken breast has about 50 grams of protein, but it's not quite as easy to digest as fish or eggs. Here's why. Chicken, especially chicken breast, can be quite dense and dry. It requires more stomach acid and enzymes to break down. However, you can make it easier on yourself with smart preparation. Choose dark meat like chicken thighs over breast meat. Dark meat is more tender and has slightly more fat, which makes it juicier and easier to chew and digest. Cook chicken with moisture. Think slow cooker meals, soups, or braising rather than grilling until it's dry. Protein powder. This is controversial, but here's the truth. Protein powder can be easy to digest if you choose the right kind. Whey protein isolate is highly processed, which actually makes it easier to digest than whole dairy. It's lactose-free and very quickly absorbed. However, some people still react poorly to whey. Avoid protein powders with artificial sweeteners, excessive fiber, or lots of added ingredients. The simpler the ingredient list, the easier it will be on your gut. If you're learning something valuable, do me a favor and hit that like button. It tells YouTube to share this video with more people who need this information. And drop a comment. Which of these proteins do you eat regularly? Which ones are new to you? I read every comment. Now let's quickly cover the proteins that are harder to digest. Not off limits, just be mindful. Red meat, beef, pork, and lamb are tough on your digestive system. They're dense, high in fat, and contain a lot of connective tissue. If you love red meat, choose lean cuts, eat smaller portions, 3 to 4 ounces, and cook them until very tender. Slow-cooked beef in a stew is easier to digest than a rare steak. Beans. While nutritious, beans cause gas and bloating for many people over 40. The complex sugars in beans are difficult to break down. And if you want to eat beans, soak them overnight, cook them very well, and start with small amounts. Let's put this all together into a simple day of eating. Breakfast. 2 scrambled eggs with a slice of whole grain toast and a small bowl of berries. Protein, 14 grams from eggs. Easy, light, sets you up for the day. Lunch, baked cod with steamed vegetables and quinoa. Protein, 35 grams from the fish, 8 grams from quinoa. Filling but not heavy. Dinner, ground turkey meatballs with marinara sauce over zucchini noodles. Protein, 40 grams. Ground meat is much easier than a whole turkey breast. Total for the day, 149 grams of protein from sources that won't leave you bloated, tired, or uncomfortable. That's the goal. Here's what we've covered today. Your digestive system changes after 40. You produce less stomach acid, fewer enzymes, and everything moves slower. That means you need to be strategic about your protein choices. The easiest proteins to digest are Greek yogurt, eggs, whitefish, salmon, lentils, and tofu. These should be your go-to options, especially if you struggle with bloating or discomfort. Chicken and turkey are fine but require smart preparation. Choose dark meat, ground versions, or slow-cooked preparations. Protein powder can work if you choose quality products with simple ingredients. Red meat, beans, and nut butters are tougher on your system. Not forbidden, but use them sparingly if digestion is an issue. The goal isn't perfection. It's giving your body what it needs in a form it can actually use. Because undigested protein isn't helping your muscles. It's just making you miserable. If this video helped you, smash that like button and leave a comment telling me your favorite high-protein food from this list. And seriously, subscribe and turn on notifications because our next video is covering exactly why your digestion changes after 40 and what you can do to improve it naturally. This is information you won't find anywhere else. Thanks for watching. Now go make yourself a protein-packed meal your stomach will actually appreciate. I'll see you in the next video.